the portfolio website I did, and this is the back end of the video. Permits me, it's my laptop that is hanging little by little. You see, this is the HTML file. This is the HTML file, and we make use of Bootstrap 5, CSS 5, and I use Jquery HTML, and this is the only HTML that we have. And we can see the link that we have here. We have CSS, we have Bootstrap, we have box icon, we have all themes, all carousel, and all that. And I'll show you the front end of the website. Don't worry. And this is just the header. Let me scroll it down so that you see very clearly. You can see this is you can see the section. This is a slider. If I open it now, you're gonna see, boom, this is the about us. This is about us, and this is another section, milestone. Boom, you can see they are all in section by section. And this is services. We have our services. You can see these are services. They are all well scripted and well coded. I think that's all. Okay, our work. Yeah, this is our work, which is our portfolio. This is the end of it. For now, I'm still building, and this is the only JS file that we have. JavaScript for slider. You can see this is the only JavaScript that we have. Slider. This is not much. We have CSS. Oh, we have the CSS here. You can see the CSS. Let's store on CSS. You can see they are all well. There are some things that you need to understand here. There are some things that you need to notice. You can see the important cues on the CSS. You make use of CSS 5, and everything is working perfectly. I'm telling you, everything also is working perfectly. And this is just the source code. And now let's store on the website. Let's store on the website. I have it right here. I have it right here. Store on the website. I have it here as the. Just wait a little bit for the loading. This is live stream, live preview. You can see the header. We have the top nav. This is the top nav, and let me make it very well so that you see it. This is top nav, and this is the link. I have the link here. We have the link. It's all the social media, and we have the logo. You can see the logo is pointing arrow. That's touch. You can see the home. We are in the home already. That's why you can see home. Then let's store. This is the brand button. And you can see the slider. You can see the slider. This is slider. You can see carousel. make use of carousel. You can see it's moving. You can see the hoover, and you can see the button get started our work. Everything is working perfectly. And this is the about us section. About us, what we do, you can see it's working perfectly. And this is the milestone. This is a milestone, that is the reviews. This is reviews, and this is about, our services. See our services right here, and this is the portfolio that we have. The portfolio, we have the top like this. Okay, you see, and all these things are very responsive. Is a responsive website. Like, let me just try and make it minimize. You can see the mini. You can see the mini. You can see everything is responsive and working perfectly. You can see everything is working perfectly. Perfect. See, everything is working perfectly, and yeah, it's good. Yeah, perfectly. You can see the toggle. You can move it, and if I click about us, it's gonna take us to about us. If I click on portfolio, it's gonna take us to portfolio. If I click on review, it's gonna link us to review. If I click on services, it's gonna make us to services, and the rest like that. This is just a simple. Okay, I think we are done. And you can see the shadow at the top nav here, and you can see the header stick header. Everything is working perfectly. It's working perfectly. Okay. 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 Now I'm gonna stop it. F9. F9. Quit it. Quit the recorder.